we're going to talk about how you can sell Bitcoin. And this is a very similar process to what I showed you before. So selling Bitcoin, I'm going to show you how I do that on desktop and on mobile as well. And it's a similar process to buying. Obviously, for selling, you need to have a Coinbase account. You can use my affiliate link below for signing up for an account, and you can get $10 in free Bitcoin if you make a minimum purchase. Thank you to everybody who's been supporting me. And then selling Bitcoin, there's multiple locations to do that. We've got the sell button up here in the top. Buy, sell, that's option number 1. Then if you want to go find Bitcoin manually to sell Bitcoin, you can go to the trade tab, and most likely under, if you've selected tradable assets, you'll see Bitcoin here, and then you can click buy Bitcoin if you want, and then it'll pull up the buy sell menu. But in this case, you're not going to want to just buy, you're going to want to sell. So you're going to click the sell menu, and you can choose how you're selling the crypto. And then the last option for selling is to go to your portfolio. And then if you already own Bitcoin, which obviously you'll need to already own Bitcoin if you want to sell it, you're going to go right here to Bitcoin, you're going to click it, and then you're going to go to the overview tab over here. And then here, you'll see that same buy sell menu on the right. You click sell. So those are the 3 options to find how to get buy sell menu. Number 1 here on home. Number 2 in the trade tab on the side. And number 3 in your portfolio. So there are 3 ways to access the sell menu if you want to sell. So for this tutorial video, I'm just going to go to the easiest option on desktop, then we will do mobile. And here we're going to click the buy sell button. When you click that, it's going to pull up this menu. It's going to probably default on buy, so we're going to go to sell. So it's really, really important right now that I tell you this. I am not recommending that you sell Bitcoin. This is not financial advice. This is educational. I'm literally just showing you the mechanics of the Coinbase platform. So please don't take me helping you understand the mechanics of the platform as me giving you personal financial advice. I don't know you. I don't know what your situation is. And I'm sure as heck not a financial advisor, okay? So I'm literally just doing a tutorial. So don't take this as me urging you to take any actions for yourself. I'm just showing you how it works. Got it? Crypto's risky, y'all. So you need to do your own research and make your own decision, not based on what Awall tells you, but based on what you need to do for yourself. Got it? Cool. So now that we're here on the sell tab, you have an option to select how much you want to sell. I think I only have like $5 in Bitcoin on this. So I'll just click the sell all option here, and it will automatically pull up an order preview if you click sell all to make things simple. Anytime you do a sell transaction or any transaction, I recommend that you triple check every single thing here on the screen to make sure it's whatever you are looking to do with your transaction. Notice how it auto-populates the sell price based on market. You cannot choose your own sell price on Coinbase. You just have to take whatever price they give you. And it tells you how much you're selling and what the fee is and what the total payout is here below. So I want you guys to be aware of the fees on Coinbase. You notice how there's a 99-cent fee for selling this small amount. So even though I'm trying to sell $5 worth of Bitcoin in this tutorial, it's charging me 99 cents to do that, which is a minimum fee for this amount. That's a huge fee versus how much money I have in there, right? That's like, what, 20% or something of the total amount. So let me tell you about the fee structure really quick on Coinbase to help you maximize how much money you're keeping versus giving Coinbase if you decide that you want to sell. So 1099 or less transactions, your fee is 99 cents. So that's a savage fee. That's like 10% or more. 26.49 or less, your fee is 149. It's a little better. 51.99 or less, you're looking at 199 for your fee, and 78.05 or less here, you're looking at 299 for your fee. And then when you get up to 201 or more in terms of your transaction size, then there's a fee of 1.49% that kicks in with your transaction. So as it stands right now, where I'm currently recording this video, transactions of 201 or more will give you the point of diminishing returns in terms of fees. So make your own financial decisions for yourself, but this right here is if you want to keep as much of the money as possible when you're selling, going 201 or more based on the current fee structure is how to do that today. Make sure you research that and you double check your own numbers here whenever you're making your own decisions to ensure that all of this is the case for you. Got it. So now that we're doing the sell menu, I want you to know that when you click sell, it's defaulting to Bitcoin for me right now, but it may not. So here under Bitcoin, you can choose any of the cryptos that you own to select it. And so if Bitcoin doesn't automatically pop up for you, you can type BTC here in the search menu and then click Bitcoin and it will populate that crypto to sell. Another option here is you can choose whether you're selling in terms of dollars or number of Bitcoin by clicking the Converti button right here, and it'll show you the giant number for Bitcoin, or you can switch it over to USD, depending on your view that you would prefer. Then deposit methods. So this is something that's really important for you guys to note. When we click deposit, notice how the only deposit method, at least for me in the United States, is cash, US dollars. So it may be different for you based on where you're at, but just keep in mind that when you're selling Bitcoin, you aren't like able to currently sell it to another crypto or something, okay? That would be converting. That's a different function than this. That's converting, not selling. So then let's say we're selling this amount. You're going to see the preview. Like I said earlier, I recommend triple checking all of your numbers to make sure they're whatever you're deciding to do, and then click sell now if you decide to do that for yourself. Got it? Let me go ahead and pull up mobile and show you how the mechanics of that work. So in order to access Bitcoin on mobile, you can either have it on your watch list on the home page. Otherwise, Bitcoin will not be there. You can also go to prices, and under tradable assets, you'll probably see Bitcoin as a top option. You'll click Bitcoin, and then you can basically hit the trade button, and then you can click buy BTC if that's what you want to do. Then at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see the left and right arrow Z buttons here. And if you decide that you want to sell your Bitcoin, then you can click sell right here, and you can sell for cash. So that's what we're going to do for this demo. And if you wanted to find Bitcoin, you type in BTC, and there it is. And obviously you need to own some Bitcoin before you do this. And then we can type in our amounts. Let's say we're doing $3. All of the same options are here, as you can see. Then we can click preview sell on mobile, all very similar mechanics, and it will quote you the price automatically from the market, tell you what it's depositing to, what the sale is, and what the transaction fee is, and what your total is. Got it? It's all the same on mobile versus desktop, just a more simple interface on your mobile device. Once again, double check your Coinbase fees and try to maximize how much you're holding. That would be my recommendation for myself. That's what I do. And so you want to go ahead and try to minimize fees, of course. So that's how you sell Bitcoin if you decide to do that. Once again, I'm not advising you to do that. You can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you how it works. And be sure to use my affiliate link below if you are interested in signing up for Coinbase and getting some free Bitcoin. Adios, amigos. Enjoy.